Hello guys, so in this video I'm gonna show you how to disable Bixby on your Samsung device. So what you want to do is go to the settings app and scroll down until you find advanced features here, and then you tap here and make sure you tap this option side button. By default, if you hold the side button on your phone, it's going to activate Bixby, so you can set this to power off menu. Now once this is done, make sure you tap to return twice and then go to apps down here, and you should be able to find Bixby on this list. It's going to be listed as Bixby Voice. Then if you tap here, you can change the Bixby Voice settings. So you tap here again and then you tap Voice Wake Up. Now if this is turned on, make sure you turn it off, and now Bixby should not bother you. You shouldn't be able to access it. But if you really want to get rid of it and you don't want to have anything to do with it anymore, you could use the disable button here. The app is not going to be accessible at all by any means on your phone. So that's how you get rid of Bixby. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you leave it a thumbs up, subscribe, and see you in the next one.